Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Aquarius. Pauna mensahe po ninyo, 5 of Cups. Ayan. So, dito sa 5 of Cups, this is sadness, no, na maaaring nararamdaman ninyo sa ngayon. For some reason, maaaring ang iba sa inyo rito malayo sa pamilya, no? It's Christmas season, Christmas Day. Kaya, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Aquarius, may you have a very good Christmas. Enjoy your day, enjoy the holidays, and God bless you po. So, maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito nalulungkot because maybe malayo kayo sa pamilya, malayo kayo sa mahal sa buhay. Kaya, sa ngayon, kahit Paskong Pasko, maaaring kayo nalulungkot because of that, no? What else? Namimiss siguro ninyo ang inyong pamilya, mga mahal sa buhay. Of course, diba, pag Pasko, panahon talaga ng pagsasama-sama, pagkikita-kita, kasama ng inyong loved ones. But maybe kayo nasa malayong lugar. We have 3 of Pentacles, action. Ayan. So, maybe you're going to take action na sa ngayon. O ano man ang inyong mga proyekto, trabaho, or kung ano man ang mga ideas ninyo na gusto ninyong i-roll out na, maaari ngayon you're really going to take action. It's maybe because, ngayon mas determinado na siguro kayo na mag-take action because maybe you have help. No? Maybe there are some people that are going to collaborate with you or willing to help you, no, sa kung ano man ang project na ito or iniisip ninyo. Napakaswerte ninyo. Good luck and good fortune are on your side. Sa ngayon, the Wheel of Fortune energy is here. And this is the destiny, no, at play sa ngayon, Aquarius. This is the destiny at play. This is the divine universe intervening in your circumstances sa ngayon, and you are going to experience positive change, no, sa iba't ibang parte ng buhay ninyo. Maraming movement ito, Aquarius. There are going to be a lot of movement happening dito, and maraming galawan, maraming maraming pagkakaabalahan kayo, Aquarius, and then this could be changes sa relationship, sa trabaho, karera, pamilya, yung ganon. It could be in other areas as well, but definitely magbabago ito for the better, no? Kung dati nang maganda ang inyong sitwasyon, mas gaganda pa yan. Swerte sa pera, it's also possible dito for some of you, mga panalo. Kung naglalaro kayo ng game of chance, this could be also that opportunity, no, na ibibigay sa inyo ng universe na makapanalo, no? Of course, this is not going to resonate with everyone, so just take as it resonates kasi general reading ito. Good news coming your way, mga invitation also. Panahon talaga to ng party, no, celebration. Kaya maaaring magkakaroon ka ng invitations dito, no, from your friends, from mga kamag-anak, mga ganon. At maaaring maimbitahan kayo dito ng mga kaibigan, yung ganon. Or maybe sa mga pupuntahan ninyong okasyon, maaaring you're going to make new friends, no? So possible na ganon. 2 of Pentacles. Ayan, so you're juggling many things dito. Multitasking si Aquarius. Maybe you're juggling opportunities, juggling trabaho, obligasyon. Siguro ang dami-dami ninyong kailangang i-prioritize sa ngayon at maaring here and there, no? Yung ninyo, yung kailangan ninyong gawin. So it's all over the place. We have Queen of Cups. Ayan, so sa ngayon, maybe you're going to embody the energy of Queen of Cups, which is very sensitive, very intuitive, very compassionate, very helpful, friendly, yung ganon, very charismatic, sa kayo ngayon, Aquarius. We have 4 of Cups. Ayan, so for others of you naman, meron sigurong bored sa inyo. So maybe, yung indifference na to nararamdaman ninyo could be related to 5 of Cups, no? Kaya siguro kayo nalulungkot dito because maybe you're feeling alone, no? Ang iba talaga sa inyo siguro, you are intentionally na ina-isolate ninyo ang inyong sarili from the crowd, no? From the people around you. So, siguro ganon. Maaaring meron kayong tampo sa ibang tao, or maybe meron kayong mga dissatisfaction sa buhay. May mga pangyayari sa buhay ninyo na hindi ito ang gusto ninyo, kaya parang nagtatampo kayo sa mundo. Parang ganon. What else? We have 4, another 4, no? This is 4 of Pentacles. So, we have synchronicity dito. We have 4 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles. So, this is number 44. So, I suggest you please look up for the meaning of number 44 for more guidance, okay? And there's another synchronicity dito. We have 4, we have 2, we have 3. Oh, wow. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ascending numbers ito, Aquarius. Ibig sabihin na there is going to be progress of events sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. So, you're up for for change. Papunta kayo sa pag-asenso, pag-move on, pag-move forward, which is really good. So, finally, no, nagbabago ang inyong sitwasyon dito sa 5 of Cups. Mawawala na talaga yung lungkot, no? Yung low vibe na yan, that is going to change for to something better, no, na pakiramdam. Since we also have Wheel of Fortune, na magiging masayang-masaya kayo dito, magiging busy kayo, because there's a lot of changes coming your way, and those changes are for good, diba? This is for the better of your situation. So, we have control. This is control of money, Aquarius. Maaring ang iba sa inyo rito, yung pera ninyo is, hindi ninyo kontrolado. You can't, you can't control the in and out of your money, siguro dito, Aquarius. Possible din na ang pera ninyo rito, siguro meron kayong mga spending na hindi niyo inaasahan, 'di ba? Impulsive buying, maaring mga ganon. Kaya hindi na ninyo na monitor ang in and out ng inyong pera. Hindi na ninyo nababalance, no? Kaya take control of your money. Okay, that's the reminder for you. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.